all-in-one camera drone with cutting-edge performance, but every gram of weight counts. That's the perfect time for Mini 4 Pro. A mighty powerful camera using a new image processing platform that captures details in challenging lighting conditions. Slow-mo is now in crisp 4K. Step up your social media game with vertical shots that make use of every pixel. And shoot night shots that shine with upgraded low-light performance. 10-bit unleashes vibrant, lifelike colors. And with extended battery life, you'll be ready when the moment comes. The most stable video transmission we've ever had on Mini means staying connected further than ever before. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing on a DJI Mini drone means safety in all directions for the very first time, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. Save a flight path to repeat shots with ease. Jump into action and let Mini 4 Pro catch your best angles. With ActiveTrack 360 degrees, tracking movements is as dynamic and simple as painting a path with your finger. Relax and let Mini 4 Pro's new AR route mapping be your advanced visual guide on the return flight. Share your incredible experiences with the world. It's time to take Mini to the max.
The future is here, and it fits in your pocket. Meet EXO Mini Pro, the most powerful mini drone ever created.
Whoa, that's a big claim. Prove it.
For the first time ever on a sub 250-gram drone, you can shoot 200 megabits per second 4K video, allowing for the richest colors and ultimate flexibility in the editing room. Oh, and it's 4K UHD HDR with HLog codec.
Okay, so how about photos?
Photos? We're talking 48 megapixel stills. Combine that with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, these images are 2.5 times the quality of the camera this was shot on.
That's impressive, but it's so small. There's no way it's got the power of a big drone.
You're right, it probably beats it. Fly for 40 minutes on a single charge, with transmission up to 6 miles away. Worried about the wind? EXO Mini has more wind resistance than most drones 3 times its size. Obstacle avoidance will prevent your crashes. Follow me will capture your action. And the hyperlapses? Well, they'll blow your mind. We forgot to mention zoom, slow-mo, smart features, quick shots, night mode, HDR, speed, aperture, steady hover, USA hosting. Whew. You know what? I'll let the drone do the talking. EXO Mini, the next big thing.
I'm the EVO Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the EVO Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.
Even the smallest moments are worth saving, so capture them right. Meet DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that can easily capture your adventures, big and small. Battery life shouldn't be a stressor. With an extended battery, you can fly for longer. Capture life as vibrantly as it's lived, and in stunning detail. Go vertical to share the adventure on social media. And don't leave anything out. Perhaps Mini 3's best trick yet? Pick a flight pattern and turn a perfect instant into cinematic magic. Don't let a little breeze stand in the way of a perfect shot. And with a stable connection, you can go from picture perfect to picturesque. When you're done filming, just hit return to home. Mini 3 safely retires to its starting point. So, fly. DJI Mini 3.